The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County in southeastern Illinois, northern Saline County, Illinois, southeastern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, northern Gallatin County, Illinois, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northeast of McLeansboro to near Thompsonville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Carmi, El Dorado, Norris City, New Harmony, Enfield, Blairsville, New Haven, Omaha, Broughton, and Monty. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline and White, and Posey, Indiana.